Alright, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to find the value of functions using a formula. That is, we're giving f of x is equal to 5x plus 4, and our goal is to find f of minus 1, f of 0, and f of 1/5. And we're going to use this formula to do it. Okay? So, first one, we're looking at f of minus 1. So what this is saying is that our input to this function is x equals minus 1. All right, so if x is equal to minus 1, I'm going to replace every x I see in my formula with minus 1. So f of minus 1 is equal to 5 times minus 1 plus 4. All I did was replace every x I see in my formula with the input minus 1. So at this point, all you need to do is simplify. So I get minus 5 plus 4, and that leaves me with minus 1. Turns out the answer, the thing I plugged in, was the exact same thing I got out. Okay? So now let's take a look at f of 0. What happens when I plug in 0? Every place I see x, I'm going to replace it with a zilch. So 5 times 0 plus 4. Well, anything times 0 is just 0, so I'm left with just 4. So f of 0 is equal to 4. Okay, now let's try 1/5. f of 1/5. So every place I see an x, I'm going to replace it with the input 1/5. So I have 5 times 1 over 5 plus 4, and that's equal to 5 times 1/5, or 5/5, which is just 1. And that's 1 plus 4, but that's equal to 5. All right, so in summary, we have f of minus 1 is equal to minus 1. F of 0 is equal to 4, and f of 1/5 is equal to 5. So we did exactly what we set out to do. We wanted to find f of minus 1, f of 0, and f of 1/5. And we did so just by plugging stuff into our function's formula. None of these examples are going to be any more difficult than that. The difficulty, I guess, would fall into the how do I simplify this category of problem. Okay? This was very simple, but sometimes algebra will get a little nasty in order to get a number out of your function. Okay? So with that, this example is done, and I will see you in the next video.